Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Teacher Jess here. I hope everybody is having a wonderful weekend so far. So today I wanted to talk a little bit about rewards. So I am a big fan of a mixture of 2D rewards and digital rewards. If I'm going all digital, I like to use stars to apples. There is a wonderful Facebook page run by somebody from my hometown named Shelly. She runs the Stars to Apple Facebook group. If you guys have an iPhone, iPad mini, any of those things, check out the Stars to Apples app. It is $10, but it is literally the best $10 I've ever spent for an app. I use it all the time. But that's not what this video is about. This video is about my 2D rewards. Now, a lot of people use the 2D rewards just for lower levels. I don't. I have used them even for level 5 classes. And I'm going to show you today how I do that. The first thing that I'm going to start with is my food reward. So I love food. My whole family loves food. We're a bunch of foodies. So what is a fun way to incorporate that into the classroom? My 2D rewards. So with the little ones, I will just grab one of the foods I have on the side, show it to them, teach the vocabulary word. I'll ask them first, what is it? If they know, they'll say noodles, and then I'll teach the sentence. They are noodles. If they are, say, level 2 and a little more advanced, I'll ask, what are the noodles in? And I'll teach bowl, and then the sentence. The noodles are in the bowl, or in a bowl, whichever article you want them to practice. Now, if I'm doing an upper level, like 4 or 5, even some level 3s, I'll show them the noodles, and instead of asking what it is or what it's in, I'll ask them, how do you like to eat your noodles? Do you like them spicy or mild? Do you like them hot or cold? And then we can get into a conversation about food. I can do the same thing with hot dogs. What do you like on your hot dogs? For the upper levels. And then things like ice cream. This one you can extend even with the lower levels. You can see this one is chocolate. I also have strawberry, so I will hold up, I don't know where my strawberry one is, both, and I'll say, do you like chocolate or strawberry? And then they can tell me something that they like, but they've also learned 2 new words. And if for some reason when I ask the little level ones, if they don't like it, it goes upside down on the board. Okay. So food is my favorite go-to. It's always fun to find out what my kids like and don't like. And yes, I do call my students my kids because it is a very intimate setting most of the time in class. Mom, dad, grandma, grandpa, siblings, whatever. Anyways, so my students also really like animals. So do I. Who doesn't like animals in food? I mean, come on. So what I like to do with my animals, with the little ones, is I will hold it up and I'll ask them, what is it? Now, we all know this is an octopus. So right here, I can practice that short O. Octopus. Make an O for the hand. O is for octopus. I can also ask them what color it is. Now, in the upper levels, what can I do with this animal? I'll ask them, where does it live? Especially in 4 and 5, levels 4 and 5, even 3. Where does this animal live? In the ocean, in the sea, you'll get a lot of different answers. What I like to ask in level 2 is this a pet? And students have a lot of fun pretending to be an octopus with me. Sorry, I just shook my whole computer. So then I have other animals. What is it? Where does it live? Do you want a pet rabbit? Pigs. I have a mixture of farm animals, wild animals, and pets. So I will use those as conversation starters with my students. Another thing that I like to do is I will hold up 2 different things with these, like pig and rabbit. Which do you like more? And they'll pick, and then that's the animal that they'll get. And I usually put all my 2D rewards back here. Now here's my little trick for keeping all of these 2D rewards not falling on the floor. My iPad case is magnetic. one is laying down. So if I'm leaving them on here, they're not gonna slide around. But also I have a folding table right next to me here, and it's got my drawer organized in it and then a space for my iPad and my rewards. So that's how I do that. And when they're done, if you have back-to-back classes like I do, I use a baking sheet behind me over here out of frame to throw all of those 2D rewards and magnetic props and stuff on. That way at the end of my classes, I can clean them all up. And wow, I just realized you guys can see all of this right now. I'm actually working on changing this up, making some new props and flashcards. But yeah, that is how I use very simple rewards to cover all levels. If you're having just like a blah day, or you're like me and you suffer from mental illness, sometimes you don't want to put a lot of effort into getting out a ton of different rewards and props. This is a great shortcut for that. You don't have to pull out new rewards every class. You can just use the same one and change up how you deliver the reward and the questions you ask with it. So this is just a short video I wanted to show you guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, please comment down below. If you get a chance, please hit that thumbs up. Let me know that you like this video so I can continue to make more. I hope everybody has a wonderful day teaching, and I will see you guys later. Goodbye.